Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. First we use the color of black and now we draw the letter of A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. Kids, now we draw the letter of B. And the next one is C. Now we draw C. The next one is D. Now we draw the letter of D and the next one is E. Kids, the next one is F. We again use black color and now we draw the alphabet of F. The next one is G. G for gorilla. The next one is H. H for hand. And now we draw I. I for ice cream. Kids, now we use yellow color and draw the letter of A. The color of yellow. Now we draw A. A for apple. We again use yellow color and now we draw B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we draw C. C for cat. The next one is D. Now we use blue color and draw the letter of D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg. Kids, the next one is F. We again use blue color and now we draw the letter of F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, now we use the color of red. Now we draw the letter of G. G for goat. The next one is H and we again use red color. The next one is I. We again use red color and now we draw I. I for ice cream. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets A to I. Thank you so much for watching.